Hello. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day.
Today, we are diving into the world of passive income with a platform called Pawns.app, formerly known as IP Royal Pawns. Now, before we get started, let me be clear, I get bombarded with make money fast schemes all the time. But Pawns.app caught my eye because it feels different. Here's why. Pawns.app lets you earn money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. That's right, your internet connection is constantly working in the background, even when you're not actively browsing. Pawns.app essentially rents out a tiny portion of that bandwidth to companies for research and security purposes. It's completely safe and undetectable for your everyday browsing. Pawns.app is a reputable company that's been around for years. They have a transparent privacy policy and prioritize user security. Plus, thousands of people are already using it to generate some extra cash. Now, onto the exciting part. How much can you earn? It depends on a few things like your location, internet speed, and daily usage. Reports show users earning anywhere from $5 to $50 a month with Pawns.app. This can be a great way to offset internet and data costs, or simply put some extra cash in your pocket. Remember, it is not a full-time income, but every bit adds up. Doesn't it? Pawns.app even has an income calculator on their website. Using the calculator, you can calculate your potential earnings from sharing your internet and from participating in various surveys. Do try it out. The beauty of Pawns.app is it's truly passive. You literally download the app, set it up in minutes, and then forget about it. Pawns.app runs discreetly in the background, doing its thing while you browse, stream, or work as usual. Check your earnings whenever you want, it's that easy. Ready to try it out? Here's how to get started with it. Click the link in the video description below. When you do, you will arrive at a screen like the one you see. Click on Claim $3 Now button. This link will get you a $3 bonus when you sign up, and I get a small commission to help keep the channel running. Alternately, you can scan the QR code that you see at the bottom left of the screen and sign up on a mobile device. Signing up is a breeze. You can use your existing Google or Apple account for a super quick sign-up or choose the email sign-up option. If you go the email route, simply provide a valid email address and create a strong password. Don't forget to use my referral code 299716 during sign-up for a $3 bonus. Once you have completed the sign-up process, including verification of your email, you will need to log in. Just click the login button and you'll be greeted by the screen you see here. You can log in with the same method you used to sign up. Choose either your Google or Apple account for a quick login, or simply enter the email address and password you created during sign-up. After logging in, you'll see options to download and install the Pawns.app software. This will allow you to start earning with your unused internet bandwidth. Once you're logged in, you'll see download options for the Pawns.app software, compatible with a variety of devices. Choose the version that works best for you. Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Docker. It also offers installation for Linux users. However, it uses the command line interface, CLI, for a more technical approach. Once you've installed and launched the Pawns.app software, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface like this. You can sign into the application using your Google or Apple ID, or use your email and password that you selected when signing up. If you use your Google or Apple ID, the app may authenticate, and you may see this screen. Simply click on Open Pawns.app to continue. You may get an additional prompt like the one you see here. Check the box and click on Open Pawns.app to continue. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken straight to your Pawns.app dashboard. This is where you'll see everything related to your earnings and account activity. The application interface is clear. Once you're set up, you'll see a confirmation like you are now earning. This means your network sharing is active, and you can start tracking your earnings. Here you'll see your current balance and easily request a payout. Remember, there's a minimum balance requirement of $5 before you can withdraw your earnings. When you request a payout, you'll be directed to a withdrawal screen. The available options might vary depending on your location, so you'll see the ones that work best for you in that specific region. In the US, you might see popular options like PayPal or Bitcoin for withdrawals. Pawns.app also offers flexibility with virtual gift cards, giving you a wider range of choices depending on your preference. While in India, France, or elsewhere might have different options. Remember to double-check and select the country you reside in before initiating a withdrawal for a smooth experience. Here are a few key things to keep in mind to maximize your earnings and maintain a positive experience with Pawns.app. Click on Settings. Make sure both options you see here are enabled. These settings are crucial for the app to function properly and allow you to earn efficiently. Keep Pawns.app updated. Running the latest version ensures you have the best performance and security features. To optimize your earnings on the mobile app and keep things running smoothly, head over to the More section within the app. There, you'll find 3 important settings. Share Internet. Make sure this is enabled to allow Pawns.app to share your internet connection and generate income. Ensure background sharing. Enable this setting to ensure Pawns.app continues working in the background, even if you minimize or close the app. This maximizes your earning potential. Auto Start. This ensures Pawns.app automatically starts up when you turn on your phone, so you don't have to manually launch it every time. Bonus tip, if you only want to share your internet when connected to Wi-Fi, you can enable the Use Wi-Fi Only option within the settings. Otherwise, keep it disabled to share your mobile data as well. The mobile app offers even more ways to boost your earnings. You can participate in surveys and complete daily, weekly, and monthly quests to earn additional income on top of sharing your internet connection. It's a great way to maximize your earning potential with the app. You can find a variety of surveys and quests, each offering you a chance to earn extra cash on top of your internet sharing income. Simply choose the surveys that interest you and complete them for some quick rewards. The app keeps things exciting with daily, weekly, and monthly quests. These are short, fun tasks you can complete to earn extra points on top of your regular earnings. Plus, there are rewards and even lucky draw opportunities to further boost your income potential. Turn your friends into earning partners. Pawns.app has a fantastic referral program. Share your unique referral link or invite them via email, and you'll both earn extra income when they sign up and start sharing their internet connection. Spread the word, earn together. Here's how it works. You get a $3 bonus for every friend who signs up using your referral link. You earn an additional $1, up to 3 times, whenever your referred friend successfully withdraws their earnings. On top of that, you'll continue to get 10% of every payout your friend makes with Pawns.app, a long-term bonus. Your friends get rewarded too. They'll receive a $1 sign-up bonus for joining Pawns.app with your link. Plus, they'll get an extra $1 bonus on both their first and second successful withdrawals. It's a win-win for everyone. You get rewarded for sharing Pawns.app, and your friends get to start earning passive income with a little bonus on top. Pawns.app goes the extra mile to help you succeed. They offer a variety of resources, including guides and a media kit that can help you maximize your earnings and make even more successful referrals. I've personally found these resources very helpful, and they're a great way to get the most out of the platform. Look, this isn't going to make you a millionaire overnight. But it's a fantastic way to generate some extra income on autopilot. It's safe, legitimate, and requires minimal effort. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to sign up. Then download the app and start earning with your unused internet today. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more passive income videos and guides. Click the notification icon to be informed every time I post a new video. You can also bookmark my website, the link for which is provided in the video description. See you in the next one soon.